Medicines from all the continents and different countries are being used in homeopathy today. For example, in North American continent, a plant called Simicifuga has been used by the native people of that place since thousands of years for menstrual colic and females giving birth to child. This Actia racemosa helped a lot. In the same way, a South American plant called Boldo has been used for colic, stomachache. And as the science has made advancement, it has been extensively used in homeopathy today for cholecystitis, that is gallbladder pain. And a plant called Okabuca obriveli has been used for stomach infection that belongs to African continent. And in India also, a plant called Terminalia arjuna has been used, about which there is extensive literature in Ayurveda as well for heart related issues. And in China, a plant called ginseng, that is Panax ginseng, used for all the mental related problems and physical strength and lumbago. And this medicine is also used in mainstream traditional Chinese medicine TCM as well. And moving forward to these countries of Polynesian countries and Australia, New Zealand, there was a plant called Piper methysaticum that people used to drink, and after drinking that they had a good sleep and less stress and anxiety. And in European countries also, chamomilla, German chamomile has been used for all the mental related issues. Tea is also drink of chamomile. So as you see, there are many medicines from different parts of the world which are used in traditional medicine, that is herbal medicine, and are still used today in homeopathy. Like balm of Gilead is also used in Hebrew culture, it is given, and there are many other medicines which are used in homeopathy today also. That's why it is being said that homeopathy has cure for almost all the ailments of the body. But the thing is, you have to use all these medicines only after the prescription of a doctor, because sometimes, for example, you are taking medicines for constipation. Now, due to overdosage or wrong selection of medicine or continuous usage, you might experience diarrhea as well. So that's why a doctor knows the exact knowledge of the medicine and the medicine. So that's why getting prescription from a doctor and using this homeopathic and herbal medicines for your cure is a very good thing, as it doesn't have that much of a side effect, and especially for the patients who are not getting relief from other systems of medicine or who are not capable enough to get their treatment citing their body issues. So that was all about it. So that's why it is not wrong to say that homeopathy is not a pathy, not a system of medicine of a single country, but it is in its entirely a world medicinal system that is used today. So that was all about it. I hope you like this video, which was about the different medicinal source from around the world that are used in homeopathy for cure of different diseases. And if you like this video, you can also watch other videos as well. And if you don't want to miss any other video, kindly subscribe our channel also. And we have more than 150 videos in this channel, so you can check out them as well. So that was all about it today. I'm Dr. Piyush. Take your leave. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.